Public Speaking Crash Course, Body Language and Nonverbal Communication. Introduction. Body language and nonverbal communication play a significant role in public speaking. While words convey the message, our gestures, facial expressions, posture, and tone of voice communicate the underlying emotions and intentions. Understanding and utilizing effective body language can enhance your delivery, build trust, and establish a connection with your audience. In this crash course, we will explore the power of body language and nonverbal communication in public speaking and provide you with practical techniques to improve your presence on stage. Body language and nonverbal communication can be more impactful than words alone. Think about a time when someone's body language spoke louder than their words. Perhaps it was a speaker who exuded confidence with their posture, or someone who captivated an audience with their expressive gestures. These examples demonstrate the influence of nonverbal cues in public speaking. Top 12 Body Language and Nonverbal Communication Techniques/Methods. 1. Posture and stance. Maintain an upright posture, with your shoulders back and head held high. This conveys confidence and authority. Avoid slouching or crossing your arms, as these can create barriers between you and the audience. 2. Facial expressions. Your face is a powerful tool for conveying emotions and engaging your audience. Smile genuinely to create a positive atmosphere and show enthusiasm for your topic. Use facial expressions to match the tone of your message. 3. Eye contact. Maintain consistent eye contact with individuals throughout the audience. It establishes a connection, demonstrates confidence, and keeps the audience engaged. Avoid focusing on a single spot or looking down at your notes for extended periods. 4. Hand gestures. Utilize purposeful hand gestures to emphasize key points and enhance your message. Use open hand movements, avoiding closed or clenched fists. Be mindful of excessive or distracting gestures that may detract from your delivery. 5. Body movement. Move purposefully on stage to create visual interest and maintain the audience's attention. Use movements to transition between key ideas or engage different sections of the audience. However, avoid excessive pacing or aimless wandering. 6. Proximity. Adjust your proximity to the audience based on the size of the venue. Move closer during intimate moments to create a sense of connection. Step back for broader gestures that involve the entire audience. Be aware of the personal space of your listeners. 7. Voice modulation. Vary your vocal tone, pitch, and volume to express emotions and add emphasis to important points. A monotone voice can lead to disengagement, so practice modulation to keep the audience interested. Match your voice to the content and meaning of your message. 8. Breathing and pausing. Controlled breathing helps manage nerves and project a calm and confident presence. Practice diaphragmatic breathing to relax your body. Utilize intentional pauses to highlight significant statements and give the audience time to absorb the information. 9. Mirroring. Subtly mirror the body language and posture of the audience to create a sense of rapport and connection. This can foster engagement and make the audience feel more receptive to your message. Be cautious not to mimic or mock the audience, as it can be perceived negatively. 10. Dress and appearance. Dress appropriately for the occasion and ensure your appearance aligns with the tone and topic of your presentation. A well-groomed and professional appearance enhances your credibility and demonstrates respect for the audience. 11. Nonverbal cues of confidence. Adopt confident nonverbal cues such as standing tall, maintaining steady eye contact, and speaking with clarity. These cues communicate assurance and credibility to the audience, enhancing your overall presence on stage. 12. Audience observation. Pay attention to the audience's nonverbal cues and adjust your own body language accordingly. If the audience seems disengaged or confused, make adjustments to re-engage them through your own nonverbal communication. Flexibility and adaptability are key. Summarization. Body language and nonverbal communication are essential elements of effective public speaking. Through posture and stance, facial expressions, eye contact, hand gestures, body movement, voice modulation, intentional breathing and pausing, mirroring the audience, dress and appearance, confident nonverbal cues, and audience observation, speakers can enhance their message and engage their audience. By observing the audience's nonverbal cues and adjusting accordingly, speakers can create a connection and establish trust with their listeners. In conclusion, mastering body language and nonverbal communication is crucial for public speakers. It allows them to convey emotions, build rapport, and effectively deliver their message. By incorporating these techniques into their presentations, speakers can captivate their audience, leaving a lasting impression. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html 8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our NHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.